So the way felting works is that we are tangling wool fibers. So this is my fiber on a non-microscopic scale. And you'll see that there are little barbs all over it that only go one direction. And when those barbs tangle and the fibers come together, they do not untangle, and eventually they can become knotted up together enough that it will hold a form on its own. This is a woolen star that I use as a pincushion. So to make your star or whatever shape, choose your cookie cutter, get a plate. We put some bubble wrap on there just to have a little bit of like an up and down on the surface. Then take your wool and you will want to fluff it considerably as you push it in, and then know that if there are any like points to your shape, you do want to make sure that enough wool goes to fill out those extremities. And then you're going to put way more wool in than you think you need. And if I was going to do this for real, I would probably do another 1 or 2 of these guys. But you can mix your wool, you can mix your colors, you can make designs with the colors that you choose and how you put them in. It is going to come out a little bit, it's not going to be crisp, clean lines, let's say that. So after you get your shape full, you're going to just start agitating the wool. And you're going to do that by alternating hot and cold water that you douse it with. And that will expand and contract the fibers. You'll do that by poking and squishing and rubbing the felt so that it tangles together. Soap, use generous amounts of soap. You can flip your cookie cutter upside down to make sure that you're getting both sides. And eventually it will take its own form, and then you can work on rubbing and smoothing the edges. You're welcome to do this with your finger, or you can definitely use toothpicks or barbecue skewers, whatever. And then you can leave it as fluffy or as firm and smooth as you want. When you're done with your shape, make sure you press out all the water and make sure that it gets to be in a place that dries so that we don't have, fluidity and black mold in your adorable shapes. You can decorate it with embroidery floss, beads, letters, but to put a hook through it, just thread whatever you want onto a needle, and you can put it in any direction, any way that you want, because it's just a ball of fuzz. I find it very therapeutic, and I hope you have fun.